My God, I've done this like 10 times and I keep crying. What is the deal? Hey you guys, happy Friday. Welcome to my channel. My name is Orly. I'm the DIY designer. I do really fun DIY home decor and fashion, sort of take these amazing high-end inspos and hack them down into a super simple DIY that we can all do together. And it is absolutely my passion. It means the world to me. And each and every one of you that watch, you guys mean so much to me. You have no idea. I'm a little bit emotional today and I can't quite explain it. I'm also a little nervous. So this intro is going to be a little bit bizarre. I've tried to do it like 30 times and here we are still. So today is a big day for me. Today is officially the launch of my first merch drop. We are all creators, whether we're creating families and homes, or ideas and dreams, communities and brands, or content and art. We are all connected as creators, all of us creating something out of nothing. I'm honored to be part of this community, and I hope you are too. Let's keep creating. I don't know why I want to cry. I don't know why it's making me so emotional, but it is. I've always struggled with the idea of doing merch because my whole purpose here is to teach you how to make what you want, right? So it's all about empowering you with the ability to create something and make something for yourself that really is a representation of your style and your personality and what you want to convey to the world. And so I thought, well, how can I possibly make something that works for everybody? And then suddenly there was just this one word. It just makes me smile and it makes me feel very connected to all of you because we are all creators. Everyone that watches my videos is a creator. And I feel such a kinship, like a friendship. Oh my God, what is this? I feel very connected to each and every one of you because we share that. And it means everything to me. It's literally like my purpose. This is so dumb. And so, so I decided to create my very first drop as a limited edition creator collection. I'm super excited. I've got really yummy hoodies and t-shirts and hats and journals and mugs and all these different products, all with this logo that I created. There's a few different styles of it. When I designed the rainbow graphic, I was really thinking about each and every one of you getting dressed every day and figuring out what you're gonna put on. And I wanted to create a tone of colors, like a rainbow tone of colors that would work with almost everything in your closet. And so it's this kind of like neutral muted rainbow. So I took forever to pick the colors. It was literally like 30,000 different versions and tries and combinations until I found something that's just right. And I gotta tell you, it is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna do a little fashion show for you and show you a few of the different ways that I've been wearing just a couple of the pieces, but I will put the website down below. You guys can shop to your heart's content. This is limited edition, so it's only gonna be live for a short amount of time. So if you love it, I hope that you load up. I also did free shipping over $50. So if you guys do end up buying a handful, take advantage of that. It's free over 50 is the promo code and it'll just make it totally free shipping, which is great. All right, let's do a little styling sesh. So you saw a couple of the ways that I styled it from the video at the beginning, but here are a few additional ways. Now this is one of my favorite sweatshirts, super soft, yummy. It's called the Creator Crop. It's a slightly cropped style, so if you want it a little longer, I would order a size up. If you want it super cropped, you could tuck the hem into your bra, which crops it even more, or tuck it into high-waisted jeans. The reason that I designed the colors that I did is that it is insanely versatile. You'll be shocked at how many of these colors tie into things like these camo pants, which generally feel like a really big statement. They work really well with all of the colors in the rainbow. This is another version of the shirt. This is actually embroidered in white embroidery and I love it. It is the perfect fit, super slinky. Again, I like things a little bit bigger, so I actually ordered a medium for myself, which gives a little bit more length for this crop tee, but the length of this is really perfect. It allows you to wear it with so many different things because you don't have a long hem to tuck in. This is my DIY leopard wrap skirt. Looks beautiful. It's the perfect fit, super flattering on the arms, and the graphic being so tiny and delicate and just textured really does mean you can wear it with anything. You could do it with this kind of leopard skirt, this kind of camo skirt, this kind of printed skirt, these kind of crazy pants. Literally, there was nothing I grabbed in my closet that didn't work with this one, so I really recommend the black and white embroidered tee. This one's amazing. Here's another version. I thought, what if I was doing like a meeting or like a work look? So I happen to have this really cool plaid suit. And again, this worked perfectly. The length is exactly right. It hits right at the hip bone. So it doesn't need to be tucked in. It just sort of falls against the body. The delicate graphic really is super versatile. Now this is a really fun one if you guys ever want to do something like this. I'll see if I can link this. I bought this little guy on Amazon, I think. But basically it's like an under boob corset. You can wear it with a big oversized t-shirt or a shirt like this and it creates a corseted effect. I got these jeans at Target actually the other day and I just rolled the waistband on them so that the waist really shows off. This is something that I do with a lot of my t-shirts. I've done it since I played sports when I was younger, but you create a muscle tee by just pulling the sleeves up over your shoulder. And because this t-shirt is super stretchy, it just stays and hugs and becomes a muscle tee. And when you take it down, it's not stretched out, which is really cool. Another fun option is like a sexy little leather look. This is perfect for fall. You could actually wear like a long sleeve thermal underneath this for a bit of a 90s vibe, which now that I'm looking at it, I kind of wish I did. Although this is cool, black on black on black with the, thigh high boots, super fun. So here is again the Creator Rainbow graphic. This is the classic tee. I have this in white, black, and also this sort of like heather tan gray color. This color works amazingly and you can see it's a longer hem, so it's a longer length, which I actually really like. It goes over skirts, you could wear it over like leggings or comfy jeans, anything you want. And again, this colored graphic just really works with everything. Like I threw this jacket on, the green ties in with the green, the yellow in the patch on the right ties in with the yellow. I grabbed this thrifted varsity jacket, again, all the colors tie in perfectly. It really is a super fun, versatile graphic, so you can decide to buy whichever bodies fit you better, like whichever fits your style more. Even this, right? I did one where I wore it open. This is sort of that twist. I did that in my styling video. You just grab the front and twist, 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 and tuck. That creates a really flattering line in the front. And again, like these jeans happen to match that R perfectly, but even if the R was a different color, it still works really well with all the other tones. Even these crazy sequin pants, like somehow this works. It's just fun and playful. I could wear it with flats. I could wear it to a party. I mean, I'm really happy. I feel like the colors really do work with everything. Here is the classic crew neck sweatshirt. Now, I like mine oversized, and I actually bought this in a large. I really didn't need to do that. A medium would have been fine. So again, if you like things to be a little slouchy, I would go one size up on everything. But there you can see the graphic. It looks great as like cozy loungewear with sweats. I bought these sweats at Target the other day too, and the color ties in really well with the muted rainbow. Now, these are a pair of J. Crew like wide linen pants, and I thought this would be really fun as we're transitioning from summer into fall where there's still warm days and you kind of want to like still, listen, I don't listen to the all white rule after Labor Day. I think it's a bunch of bull. So for me, all white with a fun hat. Again, the color in the hat ties in. These crazy blue army pants, which I actually got at the army thrift like surplus. Again, it ties in well. The colors just work. Okay, one of the last ones I'm gonna show you guys. There's a lot more stuff on the site, but these are just a handful that I sort of picked and wanted to feature. This is the most perfect like dad hat. It fits perfectly. It's got like the best shape. This is the khaki and black. I also have black with white embroidery. I love it. It literally goes with everything. I've worn it like crazy all week. And then look at this mug. I'm obsessed. There's two mugs. There's also this amazing one-of-a-kind graphic with a definition I wrote that means everything to me. That's on the site. But then this guy is amazing. Both of them are in this extra large size with a big handle. You gotta be able to fit your hand in. I hate those mugs that you gotta hold like this. So I did a really big handle. So these are amazing. The journal. This guy is so great. So it's the Creator Journal, and there's a few things I did with this that I'm an avid journaler. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this. I attribute it to a lot of the success and growth I've had in my life in the last like 5 years, I am obsessed with journaling. So I really wanted a spiral journal. That way every page is perfectly flat when you're writing. You know, the first page feels just as good as the last because everything is nice and level. So that's why I wanted spiral. And then another thing I did, which is gonna seem kind of crazy, but it's this dotted journal. So instead of lines, it's actually dots. And the reason for that is now it's a 2-in-1 journal. Not only is it a writing journal, but it can be an art journal. It's really like a 2-in-1 journal. It's amazing. I love it so much, and I hope that you guys do too. This whole limited edition collection means so much to me. I hope that you guys love it. I hope that you'll support. I hope you'll get a couple of pieces that you love and feel that connection that I feel with you every time that you wear it. Like I said, there's a bunch more styles on the website, so everything will be linked below. And don't forget to use that promo code. If you guys do spend over 50, you'll get free shipping. So it's free over 50, and that'll take off the entire shipping, which is really awesome. So, all right, you guys, I'm done crying. I feel better. A fashion show always helps me, and we're good. Thanks for being here. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. See you next week.